The shelves of grocery stores are lined with pre-made desserts and endless varieties of boxed cake mixes. While these are sometimes the quickest and easiest choices, self-taught baker Debbie Kirk prefers to bake from scratch. She uses inexpensive, easy-to-find ingredients to make her old family recipes and carry on a love of baking that's been passed down through the generations.
I have been baking for more than 30 years, mostly cakes, cupcakes, love to do pies. I am going to make a recipe that has been handed down from my grandmother's generation to my mom to now our generation, and it's called Millie's chocolate cake. My mom her name is actually Mary, but she was dubbed Millie by a high school sweetheart of mine, and it just kind of stuck. It's made an old-fashioned way. It doesn't involve a cake mix. It's used for everybody's birthday in my family. Like, we always ask, what kind of cake do you want? Well, everybody wants Millie's chocolate cake, Grandma's chocolate cake. So that's kind of been the tradition in our family for birthdays. The first thing you want to do is what's called a sour milk. It is just basically a tablespoon of white vinegar in a cup of milk, and you leave it sit the whole time you're preparing everything else. And it will actually start to thicken and almost like curdle, but that's what you want it to do. And then you have shortening: sugar, eggs, flour, cocoa, salt, baking soda, and baking powder. Measurements are vital. You know, don't throw a dab of this and a dash of that, or you can throw your whole cake balance off. So you want to make sure you measure everything as precisely as possible.
Debbie estimates the cost of baking a Millie's chocolate cake at around $3, less than the cost of a boxed cake mix alone. Pre-made desserts from grocery stores and supermarkets often cost $10 or more, and ordering a customized dessert from a bakery can cost upwards of $50 or more. Making old family recipes not only saves Debbie money, but it allows her to carry on a family tradition.
So our cake is finished. Did it about 45 minutes in a 350 oven. We just made our homemade frosting, which was powdered sugar, butter, milk as needed, a little bit of vanilla. As soon as the cake's cool, we'll frost it. Be ready to go.